How can I rewire my brain to become more positive? How do I develop a positive thinking? Tips to train your brain. Make a gratitude list. Rework your response to things that triggers you. Stay active. Take care of yourself and your personal needs. Support others. Share love and respect in your community and with friends and family.